you will see the blood fall out and everything like that. I will say with these reusable pads, you have to be 100% comfortable with touching these and using these, because it's going to have blood on it. You got to wash it off. You got to rinse it off. You don't necessarily, they say you don't necessarily have to hand wash them. You can machine wash them. So for me, I hand washed and machine washed. With the hand wash, after I used it, I put it under the water, rinsed it off, and I did one of these to like, with just hot water to like make sure nothing was stained on the front. And I rinsed it off, rinsed it off, rinsed it off. I rinsed it until no more blood was coming out, which didn't take about, it took about maybe 3 minutes in total to rinse this out. And then after that, I would let them air dry. And then I would put them in a dirty clothes hamper to wash. With that, you would need a lot of these. You would need more than 6. With the starter kit, they give you 6. You would definitely need more than 6, because I changed mine about 3 times a day. So I ended up washing in the middle of the week, or I just reused them before I machine washed them, which is absolutely fine as well. You don't necessarily have to machine wash it every time. That's why if you rinse it out, hand wash it real good, let it dry, the next day or the next 2 days, you'll be able to use this one again. Simple. I say it's a 3 because it's high maintenance. Another thing that raised my attention was, if you're going to wear these in public, you have to be comfortable with possibly rinsing them out in a public restroom. It's not going to take you long. It'll take you about 3 minutes, but you just got to be comfortable with it, just in case somebody else walk in, all this other stuff. But they do come with this bag, and this bag is waterproof. And I'm not sure if it's scent proof, because my pads, they didn't like leave a stench or anything, because I did rinse them out right away. So I didn't have the luxury of using this bag in public, but I do use the bag to store them in. And another little thing is, once you're done, if this is soiled, you can like roll it up, because it has these little attached things so that it attaches to your underwear. You can roll this up, and you roll it up on both sides. And then these little buttons snap. And then bam, if you have it soiled, you can just roll it up and toss it into your little bag. And then you zip your bag up and you on your way. Boom. So I like that, but I didn't have to change mine when I was out in public, because I wasn't out that long, and I came right back in the house and I was good. But if you do have that come up, like if you at work, at the office, you just have to make sure you be 100% comfortable with rinsing these out, and you just quickly rolling it up and put it in your little bag. Now I'm going to move on to pricing. So for the period starter kit, it costs $29.99 for 6 pads in the bag. And I believe that that is 100% affordable and a great price. Why? Because they're reusable. Say for instance, you want 12 of these, that's $60, and you don't have to buy any more pads. Pads cost about, well, the brand of pads that I usually get cost about, I want to say $6.99 a pack for however so many, but you use that whole pack for that whole month, pretty much. And so how much is 6 times 12? 2. You're going to get you get 12 of these pads for $60, and you don't have to buy any more ever. Sound like a deal to me. $6 a month at $72 a year, or you can get a one-time payment of $60 if you get 2 kits. Bam! That sound like money saved and sold to me, and you're protecting the environment because you're not creating all this trash. Throw these bad babies in a washing machine. You don't even gotta throw these bad babies in a washing machine. You can hand wash them. So my overall rating for these HighOh pads are a 9 out of 10. The only reason it's not getting a 10 out of 10 is because of the maintenance. Me, I'm not very picky on that, but I know some people are, so I did just want to like make you all aware that that is a possibility, that you'll have to, you know, be comfortable with washing these in public and things like that. And the only thing why I'm giving it a 9 out of 10, not a 10 out of 10, is because I would prefer the overnight pads because they're a little bit longer, and I like full support from the front all the way to the back. And that's it. I absolutely loved this product, to be completely honest. Like, I'm actually looking forward to giving them another go. If you have any questions regarding these pads, drop the questions in the comment section below. You can also ask me on my Instagram. I will also put the link to these products from Amazon and their personal website in the description below, so you can go to the website and check them out. They also have other stuff on their website, like boob, like cover up your nipple things. Those come in handy when you want to wear a dress and you don't want to, you know, have your nips showing. You don't want a nip slip, or you don't want to wear a full bra. They have that, and they do have like liners. This is an actual full pad, but they have liners as well, and they have overnight, and they have a bunch of bundles that you can get. So if you want a whole complete set, you want the liners, all that, they have that on their website as well, also on Amazon. So I'm going to put those links in the description. And give this video a like, a share, and comment any questions you have below, or just comment below to let me know that you watched it. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you HighOh for the pads. I absolutely love them. I was definitely looking for something like this in my life because your girl loves to save money, and this is a surefire way to do it. There you go. Bye-bye.